Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Fastmail, fast fix step by step clearly. To log into Fastmail, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL www.fastmail.com. Press the enter key to navigate to the Fastmail homepage. Once the homepage loads, look for the login button. You will typically find this button in the upper right corner of the page. Click on the login button to proceed. A new login page will appear. Here, you will need to enter your email address. Type your Fastmail email address in the designated field. After entering your email, click in the password field. Type your password carefully. Make sure there are no typos or formatting errors. Once both fields are filled correctly, locate the login button on the page. Click the login button to access your account. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your Fastmail inbox. In case you forgot your password, click the Forgot Password link for recovery options. Follow the prompts to reset your password if needed. After logging in, you're ready to manage your emails and settings. Enjoy using Fastmail. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.